Everybody stay self.
Bruh.
Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and if you're my existing subscriber, I really appreciate you sticking around. So in today's video, I have another Tellin what I'm selling. And for those of you that are new and don't know, I do have a side hustle where I make quick cash selling things in my home that I don't use anymore. In these videos, I like to show you the item, and I also like to state the reason why I'm selling. I like to tell you how much I listed it for, and then I like to show you what I used the money for from selling the item. Sometimes I don't buy anything and I'll just save it, which is great, but sometimes I do use it to buy something, so I like to show you what I bought. And this is very easy to do. I have my items listed on Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, and Letgo. Facebook Marketplace I find is the best for me. I do quite well there, and it's very easy to create a listing. So definitely if you're looking to make quick cash, I would advise to create an ad on there. Of course, if you're going to meet somebody, definitely be safe. Safety first, right? So meet them in a public place. Of course, we're under quarantine right now, so yeah, it might be a little bit difficult because we're supposed to be staying inside. But that being said, my customer is going to meet me in the lobby. I'm going to stay behind the glass and I'll be setting the items right on the bench that's in the lobby, so there's no physical contact at all. My customer did contact me from, surprise, Facebook Marketplace for some bracelets that I listed for $2 each. They're just fashion bracelets, and I had listed 5 of them. She wanted them as prizes for bingo, as she works in like a long-term healthcare facility. So she thought it would be a cute idea for prizes for the ladies that are playing bingo. She asked me if I had any more. Rummaged through my jewelry box and I found one more, so for a total of 6, so that's $12 right there. But even though it was so easy to make that quick cash, like there's so much negativity going on right now. I wanted to give her the bracelets for free. That's my little gift to the residents, and I hope that they enjoy the bracelets. So there's the first one, and it's stretchy. And there's this one. Excuse my nails, y'all. This is quarantine edition, okay? My nails are dreadful. And I imagine she's going to sanitize them all when she gets to the residence or the facility. Then the last one that I found for her. And what I'm gonna do, I told her I'd put them in little individual baggies just to make it look a lot more cute for them. I totally forgot to mention in the video the reason why I'm selling, simply because I don't wear them. Some of them I haven't even worn, and it's been years and they're just collecting dust. So that's the reason that I'm selling. And something else that I forgot to mention in the video was to ask you if you would have sold the bracelets yourself. So that's it. If I were to accept money, I'd probably get something to eat. Because I love to eat. Those of you that have been around, like, you know I like to eat. But as I said, this is my gift to them. So I won't be doing anything with the money. So that's everything to my video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like my selling videos so I can see. I definitely like to see thumbs up and comments. And if you're new here on my channel and want to see more videos, just click the subscribe button. Everybody stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.